Welcome. In this video, we're going to go through how to install and set up your Android app, ODK Collect. Let's get started. In your phone, click on the Play Store. Once it opens, type into the search bar ODK Collect. When you see it come up there, tap the Install button. And once it's installed, just tap Open. You'll want to click Allow to allow the app to access your photos and media. And when you download it, you might see a little message at the top. This is just a very quick way. So if you click on Learn More and Migrate, you can just tap on Migrate at the bottom of your screen. And you can then dismiss that little note at the top. Great, so you now have installed the ODK Collect app. Now the first thing you want to do is set it up. So tap the three little dots in the upper right hand corner and you're going to go to General Settings. On there, tap on the Server button and on the URL, just tap that. Now, I'm going over how to set this up for a KoboToolbox account, specifically for non-humanitarian accounts for KoboToolbox. So for a non-humanitarian account, you type in kc.kobotoolbox.org and tap OK. Then for your username, tap on that and put in your ODK username. Once that's done, tap on Password and enter your password. Once you've entered that, tap OK. And that's pretty much it for setting up your server settings, so just tap your back button. Next, you'll want to go to Form Management. And at the top, you will want to just tap Blank Form Update Mode. And you can choose to leave it as manual, or you can tap on previously downloaded forms only or exactly match server. I quite like to say previously uploaded or downloaded forms only, which is a new possibility in ODK this year, so it can just keep your forms up to date whenever you're connected to the internet. Let's say automatic download updated versions of forms. So that means if your form designer just updates a form that's on the server, then it will automatically kind of get downloaded to your phone. So you can actually just always have the most recent version of the form without having to go back and download it again. So I like those settings. In terms of form submission, tap on Auto Send. I quite like an auto send version for Wi-Fi only. If you don't want to automatically send your forms, you only want to do it manually, then you can choose that option. But this just allows that anytime your phone is connected to Wi-Fi, that it will automatically submit any forms that are completed. And I always like to say delete after send, which just means that if I'm collecting lots of pictures or media and data on my phone, every time I finalize a form and submit it, it will just wipe the data from my phone, so I don't have people's personal information on my device. And so, yeah, really my phone storage doesn't get blocked up because I have so many pictures and videos from my form. So I do like to delete after send just for data protection purposes, and just because my phone storage likes to get eaten up quite quickly. For form filling, I don't allow high-res video just because I find that KoboToolbox doesn't handle high-res video very well. Tap on image size, and I also like to just restrict it to a medium image size just so the images aren't too high-res. And that's everything on this page. Just tap the back button and go to User and Device Identity. And if you tap on the top form metadata, then you can tap Allow and set your username So I like to just put my first name there, say okay. I'll put my phone number. And for your phone number, I'd include the country code just because KoboToolbox gets used in so many different countries, and potentially your form designer is looking at phone numbers from many different countries. So include your country code just so if anyone needs to contact you based on your form, we know which country to phone into. And then tap OK. And then you can put your email address in. And once that's done, tap OK. Now, tap the back button once more and once more, and you should actually now have settings all set up. So that is pretty much it. In terms of user interface, you can just see that you do have some options in terms of text font size, navigation, the device language, that kind of thing. But I don't like to change that. I just leave those as default, but you can definitely go in and modify that if you would like to. So going right back to the home screen, it's now all set up. The next thing you'll want to do is click on Get Blank Form, where you'll be able to download the forms. So go get your blank forms from your server after you set all of the settings up, and you'll be able to start collecting data with ODK and KoboToolbox. So hopefully that's helpful. Have a great day.